Hello, welcome guys. Today I'm going to show you digital multimeter. So I will go my studying process by starting from the basic one. So before going to the measurement, I have to show you that this this thing this thing we call digital multimeter. Basically, we have two kinds of multimeter: analog one and digital one. Most of the now the worlds are using digital multimeter because of the accuracy, not the analog one. Analog one is not that much accurate than digital one. Within the digital multimeter also we have two kinds. We have automatic range and manual range also. In the automatic range, you can see numbers around here for the resistance, for the current, for the voltage, for the frequency. There is a number around here. There is range. So then you can adjust. For the measurement manually. And then for the auto one, this one is automatic range. So this multimeter can adjust by itself, so no need to change to rotating the probe. This one you no need to rotate. So this one is the probe. We can say this is for positive one. Red one positive represents positive, the black one represents common. So this multimeter is manufactured. The maker of this digital multimeter is Fluke. It says true RMS multimeter. RMS means root mean square. So this multimeter is very good. I advise you to buy this multimeter. If you are planned to buy the digital multimeter, I advise you to buy this one because this one is good. Okay, and the next thing that I'm going to show you is that now you see this circle, small circle. Okay, that one is on off state. Now the digital multimeter is off. So if you want to measure voltage, alternating voltage or DC voltage, also direct voltage, also you can move to the next, or diode. If you want to check the continuity of the wire or continuity of something, you have to put the digital multimeter to this direction, and here we go, it opens. Then on the display you see that the signal, like it's like sound, diode also. And then OL, it means over limit, and there you see something OLOZ, and VDC also. VDC means V is voltage, DC means direct current. Now it's in auto, you see it's in auto, it says auto. Okay, and then this hold, if you measure something and then if you want to hold the value, you can press this hold button and then it holds the value. Okay, this minimum, you see this one, minimum maximum. Okay, this shows minimum and maximum value that you hold it. Range, this is in auto range. So you see this auto range, if you press this one it becomes manual. Yeah, now it's in manual range. See, it changed. Then now it shows manual still. Now manual, yeah, see manual. Okay, and then this one, the yellow one, and this one is for the, if you work on the dark area, if the display is not visible, so you can press this one and gives you light, then it is visible. So if you work on a day, you don't need, you can press this button, it can off. And this symbol is for resistance, and and this is a symbol for capacitor. And then you know, if you want to measure resistance and capacitor, you just have to move this one here. Okay, the only thing that you have to do is this. You don't have to check the range. I'm on range, I'm not on range. You don't need to worry because it automatically puts. So now when we came to down here, it says low impedance. This is common, this is plus. You can put this one here, you can put and the another one here. You see here, this is 600 voltage. So if you measure voltage more than 600 by using this digital multimeter, this digital multimeter fuse will be melt. May sometimes it causes damage to this digital multimeter. So use this digital multimeter only less than 600, not use for more than 600. Okay, so if you want to check this digital multimeter working or not, the things that you have to do is that you have to put this digital multimeter on the continuity mode, and then you have to connect those black and white probe together. It will give you sound and reads 0 voltage. So this digital multimeter is ready to measure something you want to measure. Okay, now I will show you something by measuring. I am going to measure AC voltage. Now it says voltage DC, but I will show you by measuring AC voltage. Okay, look, I have an adapter in front of me, and then we will check. Look, I will put this black probe first, and then the white probe. I will move this one here, and then I will put the red one. I will put the red one next to the next plug, and then we will read 228 volts AC we found from this adapter. So as you can see that if you measure DC direct current, it shows like that also. This one will change for automatic one, but for the manual range one, you have to change it to the AC or DC. If it is AC, you have to put on AC. If you are measuring is DC, you have to put in DC. So why I advised you to buy this one, whether you are measuring AC or DC, you don't have to worry, because only you put in the voltage and then you have to measure. Then it displays whether you are measuring is voltage or voltage or AC voltage or DC voltage. So no need to worry, because of that you have to buy this. Okay, and for the next time I will show you everything by step by step. Basic, I will start from the basics and then I will go to the tough. So I need you to follow my videos seriously, because maybe I will help you on the way that you want. Maybe and I will need your comments, because you have to correct me and I will proceed as the way that you want. Okay, thank you guys for following me. Thank you. Bye. See you on another video. Bye bye.